Hello everyone, welcome back to another meal prep video. Here you will get to see tips and tricks that I use in my meal prep. Here as usual I have lentils, tur dal, moong dal and masoor dal, and here I have horse gram, chickpeas, oats and potatoes. I like to put one inside the other to make my cooking time more efficient, and I can cram everything together in one shot and be done. This is how I prep, and I hope this will help you. So here goes my horse gram and chickpeas because they need more attention and they need the most heat from cooking. And then goes my lentils, and then the last my oats and potatoes. I jam pack my pressure cooker. If you have an instant pot, my friends also learned this trick from me and it works the same. And here is a pitcher with warm water with a few drops of soap. I clean as I go so I don't have to stay in the kitchen for a long time. I love to have fun on the weekends, at the same time finish prepping and cleaning my kitchen because after having fun I don't like doing work. So this is another tip for you. Clean as you go and your life will be much easier as a mother. And once my pressure cooker is done cooking all my lentils and beans, what I will be doing next is I have soap for idli and dosa. So I will be grinding the batter. By the time my pressure cooker whistles, this will be done as well. Now everything is cooked and cooled. This is my potatoes, my oats, my horse gram and my chickpeas and lentils. Everything is done. So I plan to do rasam with horse gram liquid, and in the same pressure cooker, before I wash it, I add some water. I put in some tamarind for getting the tamarind extract ready for next week's rasam and sambar. And with this meal prep, I feel like all equipped and pretty strong for next week because I don't have to figure out anything from scratch. What am I going to do? And then I also wanted to give you a tip that make use of all the vegetables that you have in hand before you go buy things outside. This is what I have in my refrigerator, and I will be doing everything with what I have on hand. And in the meantime, my yogurt is also set for next week. I have washed all the dishes and now I am all ready to go have fun. Now off I go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.